digital asset funds see record $5.95 billion inflows amid Fed cuts and U.S. instability. Bitcoin, digital asset, inflows. The surge in allocations pushed total assets under management to an all-time high of $254 billion. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated, October 6, 2025. Digital asset investment funds logged a record-breaking $5.95 billion in inflows last week, driven by mounting investor demand following a Federal Reserve rate cut, soft U.S. labor data, and growing concerns over political dysfunction in Washington. Key takeaways. Digital asset funds saw a record $5.95 billion in weekly inflows, led by $5 billion from U.S. investors. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP dominated allocations, with BTC alone pulling in $3.55 billion. The surge reflects rising demand for crypto exposure amid rate cuts, weak labor data, and U.S. political uncertainty. The surge in allocations pushed total assets under management to an all-time high of $254 billion, according to CoinShares data shared Monday. U.S. leads record-breaking $5 billion digital asset inflows as Europe follows. While the uptick was global, the U.S. led with $5 billion in inflows, setting a new national record. Switzerland and Germany followed, with inflows of $563 million and $312 million, respectively. Bitcoin funds attracted the lion's share, pulling in $3.55 billion, their highest weekly total ever, without triggering notable demand for short position products, signaling sustained bullish sentiment. Ethereum products saw $1.48 billion in inflows, lifting their year-to-date tally to $13.7 billion, nearly triple last year's level. Solana also shattered its weekly inflow record, drawing $706.5 million last week and bringing its 2025 total to $2.58 billion. XRP followed with $219.4 million in new capital. In contrast, other altcoins showed minimal investor activity. The wave of inflows reflects renewed appetite for digital assets amid macro uncertainty, as institutional and retail investors seek alternative exposure to hedge against volatility in fiat and traditional equities. As reported, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $3.24 billion in inflows last week, their second-largest weekly total since launching in January 2024, according to Soso Value. The inflows reversed the prior week's $902 million outflow and were driven by Bitcoin's surge past $125,000, marking a strong start to October. BlackRock's IBIT led with $1.8 billion, followed by Fidelity's FBTC with $692 million. IBIT also dominated trading volumes, signaling institutional preference for the fund. Friday alone saw $985 million in net inflows, just shy of the all-time daily record. The momentum underscores renewed investor appetite and strong price action, with Bitcoin already up over 10% in October. Bitcoin ETPs now hold over 1.47 million BTC. Data from HODL 15 Capital shows Bitcoin ETPs now hold more than 1.47 million BTC, or about 7% of the cap supply, with US ETFs accounting for 1.29 million BTC. BlackRock's IBIT leads with 746,810 BTC, followed by Fidelity's FBTC with nearly 200,000. Globally, Bitcoin ETPs have added 170,000 BTC so far in 2025, worth $18.7 billion, though August brought net outflows of $301 million as investors rotated into Ether funds, which drew $3.95 billion. Meanwhile, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is reviewing 92 crypto ETF applications, including multiple Solana and XRP products. Franklin Templeton's proposals for both tokens were delayed until November 14th, while BlackRock's Ethereum staking amendment was pushed to October 30th. Bloomberg analysts estimate a 95% approval probability for Solana and XRP ETFs this year, with prediction markets putting Solana's odds near 99%. Despite near-term outflows, digital asset inflows have bounced back sharply in September, with $2.48 billion entering funds last week alone. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. XRP Price Prediction. Swift partners with Ethereum firm, is Ripple losing the payments race it started? New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. World's largest exchange moves to 24/7 trading for crypto. Is this the start of full Wall Street adoption? Bitcoin price prediction. After ADH, only $128,000 stands between BTC and an exponential rise to $160,000. Bitcoin price prediction. BTC hits record high as dollar collapses. Is this the beginning of a monetary reset? Bitcoin news. Live Bitcoin price updates. BTC price explodes to new ADH above $125,000. Is $150,000 next? 2 days ago, by Ristina Yordanova. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $3.12 breakout or new decline. What's next? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Institutional money pours into SOL. Is this the most undervalued top 10 crypto right now? 14 hours ago, by Harvey Hunter. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 22 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 16 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 50 minutes ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 3 days ago, by Ben Beto.